Hi, hi everyone. It gives me great pleasure to connect with you all and wish and greet everyone on this STEM day. Let me start off by telling you a story. Why? Why stories? Stories command attention. Stories connect. Let me start off with a simple story. We all know about phones. Let me say a story about a phone. I'll touch upon a few aspects of storytelling. Lots of companies make phones. What is so unique about Apple products? Why do they stand out from the market? This why is what we are going to deal and a bit more deeper in the next few minutes. Apple products are different. They bring in value from the user's perspective. Everything they do, they believe in challenging the status quo. They believe thinking differently. So this belief in terms of challenging the status quo are the why aspects of Apple. When you think about Apple product, this why is what comes on top of your memory, and you buy Apple products for this why. Their products are beautifully designed, simple to use, and user friendly. So these are the how they try to accomplish the why. So the finally it comes. Apple, by the way, also make computers, digital platforms, apps, and also phones. So these are the what aspects of it. If you try to put it in a construct, in a framework, so the outer one is the what, the center is the how, and the core is the why aspect of it. In similar way, I would like each of you to touch upon the larger meaning for your year-long project that you have been working on and that you'll be exhibiting today as part of the design thinking program. Let's deconstruct on this framework your STEM activities. The what is very simple. It's the results. They are the projects that you have been working on. The projects allows you to define an output of why you are doing it. Okay. The second is the how aspect of it. How is your process? So in the STEM activities, the design thinking is a process. The design thinking of the there is a problem and you realize it by a process to come up with a solution. Finally, let's come to the why. Why is your purpose, your motivation, and what is your belief? So here, for example, it could be your drive to excel. You stand out from the crowd. You want to be unique with your ideas. Your passion, your passion to solve a society problem, or they can be like you want to make a mark in this particular field. So these are the why aspects of it. So I would want each and every one of you to define the why aspect of your project when you're explaining it. Since we are talking about Apple products, let me end this talk with Steve Jobs' phrase: your time is limited, so don't waste it by living someone else's life. So here, Jobs stresses upon being original, being quiet, and being responsible. Each and every one has the potential to excel. What is important is you need to figure out the why. Why are you doing your basic drive to do an activity which will be sustainable? All the best, everyone. Be original, be yourself, and happy designing.